They won't rush you, they won't push. But once you're alone with Cancer, you'll feel it, the emotional current pulling you under. It starts soft, subtle, a gentle touch, a long look, a pause that lingers too long. And then suddenly, you're somewhere deeper than you expected, surrounded by warmth, vulnerability, and intensity you didn't see coming. Between the sheets, Cancer is emotion made flesh. Ruled by the moon, they don't just want your body, they want your trust, your breath, your secrets. They touch like they're memorizing you, hold you like they're afraid you'll disappear. Their passion isn't loud, it's tidal, slow at first, then all-consuming. They might seem quiet, even shy, but once the connection is there, they love with a force that's primal and protective. They don't crave casual, they crave closeness. And in intimacy, that means more than physical pleasure. It means safety, emotional fusion, a kind of quiet ecstasy that feels almost sacred. Cancer wants to feel needed, desired, safe enough to open, and trusted enough to go all in. If they don't feel emotionally secure, they'll hold back. But once they feel safe with you, you'll discover just how deep they can go. They pay attention to every detail, not for performance, but to understand you. They'll sense your moods, read your silence, respond to your breath. Cancer is tender, but not naive. They know the power of emotional seduction. They'll make you feel seen, cherished, chosen. And that alone can be more intoxicating than anything physical. But they also carry a shadow. If they feel used or dismissed, they retreat fast, back into their shell, back into silence. Trust is everything. Without it, they freeze. With it, they bloom. And when they love fully, they love like it's their whole reason for being. So how is Cancer between the sheets? They're gentle, responsive, emotionally intense, and unforgettable. They don't just want connection, they become it. If you're looking for shallow heat, look elsewhere. But if you want depth, devotion, and a lover who touches both your skin and your soul, Cancer will ruin you for anything less. Curious how your moon sign reveals your emotional rhythms and sensual nature? Your 2 free gifts are waiting in the description: our Moon Rituals PDF and the full digital moon and astrology planner, your guide to cosmic intimacy and inner wisdom. If this video pulled you in, like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, have you felt the tidal pull of a Cancer? Or maybe you are the one who leaves emotional echoes behind. See you next time, and until then, keep looking to the stars.